Have you ever stopped to think what would happen if bees disappeared? Well, spoiler alert, it would be a total disaster. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, bees quietly keep our planet alive. Let's find out how these tiny insects are actually huge heroes. When bees fly from flower to flower, they collect nectar, their food source, but also spread pollen along the way. This simple act of transferring pollen grains helps plants reproduce. It's called pollination, and it's one of nature's most important jobs. Without pollination, many crops just wouldn't grow. We're talking about foods like strawberries, blueberries, cucumbers, coffee beans, and even chocolate. So next time you enjoy a salad, smoothie, or even your next morning cup of coffee, remember, you can thank a bee for that. But bees don't just feed humans. They keep entire ecosystems alive. Pollinated plants provide food and shelter for birds, insects, and mammals. They also photosynthesize, converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, which helps fight climate change. But here's the scary part. Bees are in trouble. Over the past few decades, their populations have dropped dramatically. Why? Well, firstly, pesticides poison bees. Climate change disrupts their food supply. And habitat loss means fewer wildflowers and safe places to build hives. This isn't just a bee problem. It's an everybody problem. No bees means no pollination. No pollination means food shortages, higher prices, and fragile ecosystems. Bees aren't just pollinators. They're also brilliant engineers. Their hexagonal honeycomb design, it's mathematically perfect. It uses the least amount of wax, while storing the maximum volume of honey. Inside the hive, every bee has a job. Workers collect nectar, drones mate with the queen, and nurse bees care for the young. It's a perfectly organized society, all working together for the good of the colony. They remind us that teamwork, structure, and balance are what keep life buzzing. Here's the good news. Every single one of us can help. Plant bee-friendly flowers like lavender, clover, or sunflowers. Avoid using chemical pesticides. Leave a small water source, even a shallow dish with pebbles, for thirsty bees. You could also try and source your honey from a local beekeeper. Bees may be tiny, but their impact is enormous. They feed us, heal the planet, and remind us that even the smallest creatures can make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching. And if you love nature as much as we do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.